voice in my mind, but I don't see what she needs to know. I'll keep inside my thoughts, I won't let go. But every time she wants to open doors, I guess she wants to be alone tonight. She said, oh, won't you tell me those secrets you keep at night? Oh, won't you tell me those secrets you keep on tight? Oh, my lies have just multiplied. I don't want her to hear it, and I think that's fine. There's no time for second chances. I know we're not right, but something's holding back the truth that's stuck in my mind. She said, keep on tight. Oh, tell me the secrets you keep at night. Oh, I need you. Won't you tell me the secrets you keep on tight? Oh, yeah, I just wanna be the one for her, but we make it hard on ourselves. Yeah, I